What's up, my friends? Welcome to New View Tech Review. My name is David Gelly, and today we are unboxing the Galaxy Note 9. Let's get to it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so here we are with the Galaxy Note 9. I've been super excited to get my hands on this. The packaging looks different from last year, that's for sure, with the emphasized stylus on the front there. But let's just get right to it. Set that over there. Let's see what we got for contents. So we got the SIM card ejector tool right there. And of course, we got some reading material for you if you are into that. I'm not, so we'll set that over there. So nothing more in here. All right, let's get back to the good stuff. So here's the Galaxy Note 9. And it seems to be about the same size as the Galaxy Note 8 from last year. The height seems to be about the same, pretty tall phone. I did a review on the Galaxy Note 8, so if you're interested in watching that, it'll be in the description down below, so you can check that out. But yeah, this seems to be about the same size as the Galaxy Note 8. Obviously, we got the fingerprint scanner below the camera sensors, so that's a good move on Samsung's part. I can see it's already getting super fingerprinty, so that's always a joy. And then we got the stylus in here, which, yep, just as the box shows, it is yellow and gold and with a blue tip. It's interesting, you know, the blue with the yellow. I like the contrast, I guess. I don't know. Not a huge fan of the colors, but I can see why people would like this. And it's got the usual ports on here. It's got the Type-C port, headphone jack, thank you Samsung, and the love it or hate it Bixby button. I think most people hate it. I know I do. Got the volume rocker right here and the power button. That is about it for the phone. Let's see what else we got in the box here. So we got some stylus tips right here for replacing them if they get worn out. So that's always nice to have. We got Type-C charger, and we have AKG headphones that seem to come standard in the Galaxy phones now, which is awesome because these are actually really good. They're pretty impressive for what they are. And we got an adapter for a Type-A USB to Type-C if you need that. And then of course the charging block. And that seems to be about it in the box. So a good amount of stuff. And here is a basic layout of everything that you'll get in the box. Obviously the Galaxy Note 9, headphones, adapter, brick, stylus, tips, and your cord, and some reading material. So let's get to the phone and get that started. So here is the Galaxy Note 9 in all of its glory. It looks beautiful. The screen, as always on a Samsung phone, it's just naturally going to be amazing. Super sharp, really oversaturated, but that's a good thing for some people, not the best for others. I personally like a little more of a natural tone, which the Google Pixel 2 offers, but this is also just, I mean, you can't go wrong with this display, don't get me wrong. So I'm excited to get to reviewing this and testing it out and to see how it works in daily life. I can only imagine it's going to be great. I expect the camera to be top notch. Speaking of notches, there's no notch on this, which is kind of refreshing since every other manufacturer is going with the notch these days. But you know, that's their choice. I'm super excited for this. Stay tuned. I'm going to do a full review on this in the next couple weeks here, but I really want to get my full use out of this and really get a good review of this because I know this is an important phone to a lot of you guys and girls. So make sure to stay tuned for that and any other videos I got coming up. All right, my friends, that's all I had for you today. I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing of the Galaxy Note 9. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.